Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access video preset settings in the Crew tool. So all you need to do, just click on the second tab called Options, select the third tab called Video, and as you see, the option is called the Video Preset. It's under the VSync section. All you need to do, just either go right if you want it maximize, or either go left if you want it auto lowest. If you want to scroll down and play with some of the settings, all you need to do, just click on the customize one. And then, as you see, you can turn off certain options. That's basically it for the video, guys. If you want it applied, just click return. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this video helped. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.